Hey Aquanuts, here's a little quick tip, little fun fact that I bet you didn't know. If you have a Pentair Bermuda Skimmer like this one, with a round top like this, you've probably purchased a vac plate, like this one here. Have you noticed it comes with this weird little thing right there? Let's take this out of the bag. So here's your vac plate. This is what you use. But have you ever seen one of these? It comes in the package. Now, normally what I do is I just throw this out. But here's what I found out last night. I didn't know it. I bet you didn't either. If you take off your skimmer lid, you can click this right into there, like so. And then, for storage, you can simply turn your vac plate on the top of the basket. I didn't know that. And then, you have a convenient place to store your vac plate. There you go. There's your tip of the day. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if this has been helpful to you, if you like these little quick tips and whatnot, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and again, I'm sorry for all the traffic. It's very loud here. Have a good day. I'll see you next time.